Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. As you all know that we have completed our fruit drugs in our last lecture, but some of the students have mentioned in the comment section that 3 of the drugs are missing: Pongamia glabra, Cuminum cyminum, and Strenthus indicus. So I would like to tell you that Pongamia glabra is included in the first video tutorial. The first lecture it is included. You may get it from there. While the remaining 2 drugs, that is Strenthus indicus and Cuminum cyminum, these 2 drugs have been completed in our lab. But most of the people were absent in the class, I think due to the retake examination or something else. So I am going to repeat these 2 drugs. Okay. So the first one is Strenthus indicus. This is the fresh fruit, fresh plant, and these are the dried version. English name is Strenthus fruit. Locally it is known as Mundi. Belong to the family Compositae. Its fruit, shoot and leaves are used. Now regarding its phytochemical constituent, it contains the essential oils and alkaloid. Strenthine is the major alkaloid which is found in Strenthus indicus, responsible for its medicinal action. The drug is widely used as a herb, not as a food condiment, as you all know. Now medicinally it is used as diuretic, as a tonic, as an anthelmintic, that is vermifuge to destroy the worms, and used as a blood purifier. Organoleptic evaluation. The texture of the drug is rough. External marking, it contains a velvety surface, dusty one. Notch is present at the apex with a thick stalk, as you can see in the picture which is available in your lab, the sample. You may see it, thick stalk is present. Multi-segmented and with the round base. Internally, when you bake it, it is hollow from inside. You can see it, if you can see it. This is hollow, contains the hollow septa. Fracture is brittle and incomplete, soft fracture. Color is golden. Odor is herbal. It is tasteless. Shape is round. And size is 0.7 centimeter. If you measure with the stalk, then it may goes up to 1.2 1.3 centimeter long. The last drug which you request to upload is the Cuminum cyminum. This is the picture taken from the monograph, contains the various medicinal part of it, and this is the dried fruit of Cuminum cyminum. In English it is known as cumin seed. You must remember the black cumin seed also, which is Kalonji nigella sativa. That was the black cumin, and this is the cumin. You must know the difference between the two. These are the 2 different black cumin and the cumin. These are the 2 different plants. Black cumin seed is Nigella sativa, Kalonji, while only the black cumin fruit are the Cuminum nigrum, Kala Zira, and this is the cumin seed. You must not be confused. You have already read about it. Second, another plant known as Cuminum nigrum, that is Kala Zira. This is Cuminum cyminum Saphazira. Belong to the family Ambarifaceae or Apiaceae. and its seed, fruit and leaves are used. Now coming towards this phytochemical constituent, it contains the essential oil, pinene, cuminaldehyde, 25 to 35%. This is the main constituent. Samine, phenols, terpenes and flavonoids. Cuminum cyminum is a food condiment used in our daily food routine as a food condiment. Medicinal action uses aromatic, used in aromatherapy, diuretic, carminative, that is expel gases from the intestine and stomach, food condiment, stomachic, that is strengthen the stomach, astringent, antidiarrheal, dyspepsia, antiseptic, that it works against microbes, flavoring agent, and according to the recent researches, it decreases the LDL level. Now it's organoleptic evaluation. As you can see in the picture, the texture is rough. Externally, very thin stalk is present. Elevation and depression are present. Clear elevation and depressions. Pointed at both ends. And internally, a compact mass is present. Fracture is soft with a snap. Color is golden brown. Odor is characteristic with a pleasant taste. The shape is crescent. And size is almost 0.7, 0.6 centimeter. So that's all for the organoleptic evaluation of the fruit drugs. Now inshallah from the next lecture we will start the organoleptic evaluation of the root and rhizome drug. Thank you.